first you have to decide which and what theme that you want to create for children. So you can create alphabet, you can create numbers, you can create animals or fruits and vegetables. It's all up to you. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use activity, a book or busy book, what they call in Canva right now. So we're going to create an alphabet activity once you finish your project, and then you can now make money and sell the one that you created in Canva. And this is why I'm here to show you guys how I created my own activity book for kids with the theme of alphabet, and I put that digital products in Etsy or wherever platforms that can make sales. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's do this. So now we are here in Canva, and I'm gonna show you guys here first what you're gonna do. Here on the top you will see customize size or custom size, so click this one because we need to create a size for our project. So it depends on you on what size that you want for your project. So I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna convert this to inches, and I just want to do the 8.5 by 11, which is normal, like an A4 size for activity book. So let's say 8.5 here, and then height is 8.5 by 11. Okay, so I'm gonna create this design, and there you go. So now here is the first page, and here at the bottom, let's see how many pages that you want for your alphabet. Okay, so let's say you can just duplicate this, maybe 25, or how many letters that alphabet has. So you just keep adding pages here until you get to the last letter of the alphabet. All right, so I'm gonna leave this first page blank so that later on we can create a cover or a title for our activity book. Okay, so first we're going to create a letter A in this second project. Okay, so you can use the pre-made template, but you have to customize it because Canva doesn't like you to use as is, and then you can sell it, and which is not, Canva will not approve that if you do that. So we need to customize it and change a little bit. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. Okay, so here you go. Here in the element, we're starting with the letter A. So let's say letter R, tracing. All right, so now you see here, guys, on the graphics you will see all the styles of tracing with the letter A. So you can just play around with this and choose which letter that you want for your activity book. Okay, so now for the sake of this tutorial, I think I'm gonna get this one. Okay, this letter A, so kids can start with from the top here, and then here and here. Okay, I'm gonna get this letter A, and I'm going to get the small one. Okay, this is the small letter A, so I'm just going to put it here. All right, so what else do we need for letter A before we put this in place? I just want to put everything that I need in one place. Okay, so now let's go to a letter A. All right, so let's say letter A, images. All right, so here, guys, just be mindful that if you get these images with the crown, that means we're using a pro version of Canva. So if you see that there is no crown, then you can use this. This is a free version. But if you're going to sell this, guys, and then you find out that there is a crown, and the one who buy your digital products that doesn't have a Canva Pro account, they cannot edit it or customize it or change it into other elements. So just be mindful and tell the customer that this cannot be editable or customizable, because these are he used the Pro account, or if they have a Pro account, then they can do it. I think so, right? So but for in this tutorial, I'll just want to let you know, guys, that I created some images that has a Pro account, or you can go here on the top left or top right here and just create an animation which is static. Click that and click the free ones, so that whatever images that comes is all free, so they can edit it, they can customize it whenever they want. Okay, so I did that. So you see everything that I click is, there is no crown, so this is all free and you will not get in trouble. They can customize it, they can change it whenever they want. Okay, so I'm gonna use this. So let's check, or let's find Apple here for them to color. There's so many here, or maybe I want to find the Apple characters. Yeah, so if you put characters, it's more, you know, kids like this because it's so funny. So let's see, I just want to make sure this is free. Okay, so these are all free, you see guys. So you can do this one, but I want this to be like in black and white. Okay, since we cannot find the black and white now, there is another way that we can do that. Okay, let's go to characters, type characters. If you want to put in a character, you know, form, so maybe we can do this. So let's see, I hope these are all free. All right, so it's all free. So I find Apple here, maybe I can just go grab him here. Okay, so I'm just gonna, I want to make an Apple character, so I'm gonna type Apple and let's find some. Okay, maybe I can, what if I can use this one? I just pull it down here guys a little bit so that you can see. Okay, so let's type Apple legs, and then now we can see legs that we can use. So yeah, maybe, okay. Oh, there's so many here, so it's all up to you guys. You play around with it, take your time, think about which you want to use. Okay, I'm gonna use this one, and then just, you know, it down here just like that, connect to the apple. And then let's find some arms here, like say Apple arms. Okay, now there you go. Then you can just, you know, choose which one do you want here. Okay, I might get this one and make this a little bit shorter. Then you can just do like this. All right, just like that. And then you can do the other one. Okay, and then I'm just gonna attach over here. Okay, just like that. Okay, all right, so now let's put some eyes, you know, apple eyes. Eyes, there you go. There are some pro. Let's see if we can find some not pro, just free. Oh, this is free. You see this guy, sometimes you'll find some free stuffs here. Okay, like this one. Okay, let's put this eyes. Okay, we just added some elements guys for kids to, you know, for them to color. There you go. And then let's say apple mouth. You can just be so creative guys, so that, you know, you cannot just upload or sell as is the one that you got from Canva. So let's get some. Okay, you see this mouth, there is no crown, but I want to find a mouth that they can color it. Oh, this is cute. Okay, let's get this one. Okay, and then I'm just gonna drag it here. Okay, how is that guys? So you see, it's so funny, but you know, kids will love this. I think this is okay. Okay, so I'm gonna group this one guys, because once you group it, it means that whenever you move it, it won't, you know, go into many places. You can just move all of them in one. And if you want to make this a little bit shorter, then you can do this. All right, so I just use this one as a just to copy, but not really the same, right? It's not really the same as this image, but at least it's a little bit. So now I can delete this M1, and then I don't need it, I think. Yeah, this is fine. And for the letter A, okay, maybe I can group this one also. Okay, hold on, before I group this, I just want this to be like on the same. There you go, so that I can move it. Oops. Okay, so I'm gonna group this one, and so that I can, you know, move this and make this a little bit here. Okay, A, and I can put him here, there. All right, there you go. And then we can put the text there, like text like apple. All right, so now I want to do some effects on this apple, not just this one, so that kids can also color. So to do that, click effects, and here you can find some effects that you want to use. So I want to use this one, and then I want to change the fonts. Yeah, I think Chewy is fine, so we can just drag the apple here on the top just like that, so that also kids also can color it. Alright, now so we're going to put the lines and we're going to put the letters for them to trace. So to do that, go again to the text and type the KG prime. Then you can choose which one do you want over here. Okay, so let's say AA, and then maybe 2 or maybe 3. Okay, this is too big, so let's make it 120. Alright, so I'll go to 120, and then I'll just, move this here or make a copy of this so that I can put 2 more there at the bottom. So I just copy this one and then paste here and paste one more time. So I have 3 of this. So I might put this one over here and another one is over here. So they have this thing for them to trace after they color this, right? So yeah. Alright, so this is how you go with the letters, guys. And then the rest of the thing is from the letter B to letter C. Just keep doing the same thing. Just go to the elements and find the things, and you can create your own characters like I did here. And now it's ready for you to make money. Put the books or put the activity books wherever you want to sell it, and then make money of it. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, for watching. And if you have any questions, please write down the comments. And for those who are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this helps and help you to create your own activity book and make money of it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video every week. So that's all for today, guys. Bye for now.